Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to press the subscribe button and you'll be informed of when I upload next. And today's video, I thought I'd do an Instagram chooses my makeup video. So in my stories, I basically put polls of what makeup products you could choose, and that doesn't really make sense, but basically you just put like 2 mascaras and you choose which one you wanted. And I did that for a full face of makeup and I let you guys choose what you wanted me to wear. That was on my stories for 24 hours and I'm not sure who actually started this challenge. If I find out, I will link them below, but I do know that Soph Does Nails did it. I want to say Sophie Louise did it, but I'm not sure she actually did. But there was quite a few people that did it. I know Sierra Furtado, if that's how you pronounce her name, did it. Loads of people have done it, so I'm not sure who actually started this, but those are just a few people that have done it. And I kind of just wanted to include products that I've recently purchased, as well as ones that I just haven't really used anymore. And I just wanted to see where we got with that, and it's been fun. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look with the makeup products that you guys chose, then keep on watching. So the first thing I asked was which primer should I use. Now I got a bit confused about this because I wasn't sure if the Collection Primed and Ready primer was a gel, so I just assumed it was a gel, but 67% of you said to use the Aqua Priming Base from Revolution, so that is one of my favourites and I'm going to use that one. So this is the Aqua Priming Base. So I then asked you which foundation you'd want me to use. So 45% of people said the Revolution Foundation Fast Base Stick, and 55% said the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And so I'm just going to go in with the liquid foundation, and I haven't actually used this foundation yet, so first impressions, and I'm just going to blend that out. So I then asked which concealer you'd like me to use, and I did include the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, as I did just currently use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, so I did include that one, but only 24% of people said that one, and the Revolution one was 76%, so I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and again just blending that out. Would you believe I took a break and painted my nails? And then I asked you which powder you'd like me to use, and I specifically put in my favourite powder, the Collection Pressed Powder, and only 38% of people said they wanted me to use it, and 62% of people wanted me to use the new powder that I picked up, which is the Insta Fix and Matte Rimmel powder. So I'm going to use this one for the first time. Hang on. I'm not sure what it is, but it smells. I'm really not sure. I don't know what it smells of, but there's some sort of scent. And then for contour, I asked if you wanted me to use a powder contour or a stick contour, and I had the Collection stick that they sent me ages ago. They sent me like a big bundle. I did do a video on it, but I actually forgot about this product, so I decided to include it in this video. But you didn't want me to use it, you wanted me to use the Revolution HD Pro Contour Palette, which is also my favourites. And now I feel like I can bronze away and just contour with all my heart's desire. So I'm just going to take this shade here and just contour my cheekbones, and I just ruined my nail polish. And then I'm going to take this shade here and just bronze the rest of my face, because I'm literally feeling wet. Feeling slightly more better. Next I asked you which highlighter you'd like me to use, and I included the Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter in the, I don't know what shade it is, shade Champagne Kiss, or the MUA Prism highlighter in the shade Solar Flare, which is a new shade that I've been using and I absolutely love. So 47% of you said that you wanted me to use the MUA Solar Flare highlighter, and 53% of people wanted me to use the Champagne Kiss Revolution highlighter, so Revolution it is. And then the next thing I asked is which brow product you'd like me to use, and I gave a choice of the Lottie London Arch Brow palette as well as the TANYA BURR Selfie, what one is this one? I need to learn product names. The Selfie Sculpt eyebrow pencil, and basically I didn't have a drugstore product that was an eyebrow pencil, so I think I need to invest in new brow pencils. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. But yeah, actually 78% of you wanted me to use brow pencil, so it's gonna have to be TANYA BURR. And I haven't used it in a long time, so I'm hoping that it still works. Now how do I do brows with pencil? Don't know, but what is that? I'm gonna do the other eyebrow off camera. So let's just say I am not loving that at all. I'm not a brow pencil kind of person, and I won't be finding any more brow pencils after that. So next I asked you which eyeshadow palette you'd like me to use in this makeup look, and I chose a natural, more subtle, everyday eyeshadow palette and a more bright palette, and 47% of you said you wanted me to use the more natural palette, which was the Barry M in the Buff palette, and 53% of you wanted me to use the MUA Colour Burst palette, which is the palette I'm going to be using today. So I'll still put the sellotapes on my eyes just in case. So I'm just going to apply this orange shade here to my crease. Now it looked like it was a bit shimmery in the pan. Hopefully not. See, it's hard for me to tell if these are mattes or shimmers. The only way to do it is to get a phone torch out, and whoa, that's not okay. Oh my god. Ah, oh, they're all shimmery, right. So they all shimmer, the ones that I want. That's not what I wanted, but okay, we'll just go with it. Fine. So for this occasion I'm just going to take the pink shade here and apply that to my outer corner in hope that it will do what I want it to do. So I was actually hoping for a more pink toned pink, if that makes sense. So I'm going to ever so slightly take the red shade and just apply that somewhere just to make it a bit more hot pink. Okay, so that is a little bit better. I'm then going to apply the yellow shade to my lid. So that's something I've never done before. And I'm just going to run this orange shade just on my lower lash line. I know I haven't actually gone far in depth with this palette. This makeup look is just going completely wrong. And then next I asked if you wanted me to use eyeliner in this makeup look, and excuse me, and I was hoping that you would say no. I specifically said please say no, but 80% of you said yes, and only 20% of you said no. So then I said, if you said yes, which eyeliner would you like me to use? And it was between the Lottie London Stamp Liner, which is the one that I was hoping to get because at least I've got support, or the Soap & Glory Super Cat eyeliner, which is another one of my favourites, but I feel like where I haven't been doing eyeliner for quite some time, let's just put it that way. So 44% of you said the Lottie London one, and 56% of you said the Super Cat one. So I'm going to be using the Soap & Glory Super Cat eyeliner. I'm actually a little nervous. So for someone that hasn't done eyeliner quite some time, I'm gonna give you that. I'm actually quite impressed. I mean, it could be a bit neater, but I'm impressed with that. So next I then asked if you wanted me to wear false lashes or not. This is a screenshot from the boomerang that I made, which is why it's blurry and I can't see it. And 82% of you wanted me to wear lashes, whereas 18% of you didn't want me to wear lashes, which is okay. I'll put lashes on. And I'm actually going to be using the lashes that I used in the boomerang, which are these EYLURE ones. These are the Accents number 5. Are they 5? Yes, number 5. I've been really loving this lash glue and I highly recommend it. And then next I asked you which mascara you'd like me to use, and I included a most recent purchase as well as a kind of forgotten about purchase. So I asked if you wanted me to use the Collection Lash, I can never say it, Lash Surge mascara, or what was it, the Lottie London hashtag Lash Goals mascara, and 40% of you said that you wanted me to use the, 40% of you said you wanted me to use the Lash Surge, got it, Lash Surge mascara, and 60% of you wanted me to use the Lottie London, I can't talk today, the Lottie London hashtag Lash Goals mascara, so that's the one that I'll be using. And I don't even remember what this one is like, so, oh, okay, that is very weird. So I don't really know why I stopped using that, because that actually looks not so bad. But then I did realise that I forgot to do my brow bone highlight as well as my inner corners. I don't know why I always forget this, because you know, standard procedure and all. And I'm just taking the same highlight, the Revolution highlighter in the shade Champagne Kiss. What is this? This is probably why I didn't like it. Now I've got to sort that mess out. Oh, every time I blink, seriously. So next was the lipsticks, and I chose basically a bright colour as well as an everyday nude shade, and I chose the Soph X Revolution Extra Spice Syrup lipstick as well as the Collection Mango Crush lipstick, which were both purchased on the same day. And 74% of you said the Soph lipstick, whereas 26% of you said the Mango Crush one. And yeah, I think the nude one will go well with this makeup look, so bonus. Okay, so it's a bit lighter than I thought. I generally thought this shade would be a bit more darker. And lastly, I asked which setting spray you'd like me to use today, and this one I caught on the last 4 hours of the story. It was on 50/50, but I got the screenshot when the Nip and Fab glitter spray was on 60% and the I Heart Revolution cucumber spray was on 40%. And because I used the cucumber spray in the summer makeup look, I decided that I'd use the Nip and Fab glitter, I don't know, it's not really glitter, the Nip and Fab what are you doing? The Nip and Fab Illuminating Mist for this video, because I did catch it on the, you can't see it, I did catch it on the 60%, so I thought, yeah, I've already used the cucumber one, so I'm gonna give this one a go. So this is the spray bottle, and you just give it a shake and then it just glitters like that. It is so pretty. And yeah, you just spray that to your face. I'm hoping this one is going to spray, unlike the cucumber one. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Oh, it's really refreshing on a hot day like today. Oh, and look at that glow. Beautiful. Well, there you guys go. This was me doing a Instagram chooses my makeup video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because I greatly appreciate it. I post often about makeup and you'll just enjoy it, and I really greatly appreciate it. Let me know if you want me to do any more makeup challenges. Leave them down in the comments bar below and I will see what I can do. I was thinking about doing a Twitter chooses my makeup kind of thing. Don't know how it's going to work, but I was thinking about it. But that's all for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.